翻翻
turn,
翻翻的近义詞是倒倒，翻的近義詞是轉轉，翻的近義詞是反反，翻的近義詞是負負，翻的近義詞是越越，翻的近義詞是跨跨，翻的近義詞是變變，翻的近義詞是改改，翻的近義詞是更更，翻的近義詞是換換，翻的意思是上下位置顛倒或裡外變換、歪倒。
It means to reverse the position or change the inside out, to tilt or fall over.
衣服要翻過來晾乾，衣服要翻過來晾乾，衣服要翻過來晾乾。
Clothes should be turned inside out to dry.
我不小心把茶杯打翻了，我不小心把茶杯打翻了，我不小心把茶杯打翻了。
I accidentally knocked over the teacup.
翻的意思是變換、改變。
It means to change, to transform.
這是一棟老舊房子，很多地方都需要翻新。這是一棟老舊房子，很多地方都需要翻新。這是一棟老舊房子，很多地方都需要翻新。
This is an old house, and many parts need renovation.
水管和電線、牆壁和地板，以及外牆和屋頂都需要翻新。水管和電線、牆壁和地板，以及外牆和屋頂都需要翻新。水管和電線、牆壁和地板，以及外牆和屋頂都需要翻新。
The plumbing and electrical wiring, walls and floors, as well as the exterior walls and roof all need renovation.
翻的意思是翻譯。
It means to translate.
把法語翻成中文，把法語翻成中文，把法語翻成中文。
Translate French into Chinese.
把英文翻成日語，把英文翻成日語，把英文翻成日語。
Translate the English into Japanese.
翻的意思是翻臉。
It means to turn against someone.
這對情侶又鬧翻了，這對情侶又鬧翻了，這對情侶又鬧翻了。
The couple has had another fight.
他翻臉不認人，他翻臉不認人，他翻臉不認人。
He turned his back on us.
翻的意思是把原有的事物推翻。
It means to overthrow something that already exists.
由於新證據的出現，這宗案件終於得以翻案。由於新證據的出現，這宗案件終於得以翻案。由於新證據的出現，這宗案件終於得以翻案。
Thanks to the emergence of new evidence, the case was finally overturned.
翻的意思是增加很多倍。
It means to increase many times over.
這個月的產量翻了一番。這個月的產量翻了一番。這個月的產量翻了一番。
Production doubled this month.
這個月的銷售量翻了兩番。這個月的銷售量翻了兩番。這個月的銷售量翻了兩番。
Sales this month have quadrupled.
翻的意思是越過、跨過。
It means to cross over.
他翻過圍牆，逃跑出去了。他翻過圍牆，逃跑出去了。他翻過圍牆，逃跑出去了。
He climbed over the wall and escaped.
翻過這座山，你就會看到一個村莊。翻過這座山，你就會看到一個村莊。翻過這座山，你就會看到一個村莊。
Once you cross this mountain, you will see a village.
翻譯，翻譯。
Translate.
翻譯。翻譯的近義詞是詮釋，詮釋。翻譯的意思是用一種語言表達另一種語言的含義。
It means to express the meaning of one language in another language.
把這篇文章翻譯成中文。把這篇文章翻譯成中文。把這篇文章翻譯成中文。
Please translate this article into Chinese.
請將這份合同翻譯成英文。請將這份合同翻譯成英文。請將這份合同翻譯成英文。
Translate this contract into English.
這部小說已被翻譯成中文出版了。這部小說已被翻譯成中文出版了。這部小說已被翻譯成中文出版了。
This novel has been translated into Chinese and published.
煩，煩。
Bother. Feel vexed.
煩。煩的意思是心情不舒暢愉快。
It means feeling unhappy or displeased.
他最近心情很煩。他最近心情很煩。他最近心情很煩。
She's been feeling down lately.
他因離婚官司而煩。他因離婚官司而煩。他因離婚官司而煩。
She was troubled by the divorce proceedings.
煩的意思是厭煩。
It means to be annoyed or bored.
他每天嘮嘮叨叨，我都聽煩了。他每天嘮嘮叨叨，我都聽煩了。他每天嘮嘮叨叨，我都聽煩了。
She nags on and on every day, and I'm tired of it.
每天做同樣的工作，真讓人膩煩。 每天做同樣的工作，真讓人膩煩。每天做同樣的工作，真讓人膩煩。
Doing the same job every day is so boring.
煩的意思是使人厭煩。
It means to annoy or bore.
別再煩我了，別再煩我了，別再煩我了。
Stop bothering me.
處理這個複雜的申請流程，真是太煩了。處理這個複雜的申請流程，真是太煩了。處理這個複雜的申請流程，真是太煩了。
Dealing with this complicated application process is such a hassle.
這隻蒼蠅飛來飛去，真是太煩人了。這隻蒼蠅飛來飛去，真是太煩人了。這隻蒼蠅飛來飛去，真是太煩人了。
This fly is so annoying, buzzing around like that.
煩是一種禮貌的表達方式，用來請求對方幫忙。
A polite way of asking someone for help.
這件事很複雜，煩請您親自處理一下。這件事很複雜，煩請您親自處理一下。這件事很複雜，煩請您親自處理一下。
This matter is very complicated. I would appreciate it if you could handle it personally.
報告已完成，煩請您抽空審閱。報告已完成，煩請您抽空審閱。報告已完成，煩請您抽空審閱。
The report is complete. Please take some time to review it.
煩的意思是數量多而雜亂。
It means numerous and disorderly.
說話要抓住重點，不要拖泥帶水，要言不煩。說話要抓住重點，不要拖泥帶水，要言不煩。說話要抓住重點，不要拖泥帶水，要言不煩。
When speaking, focus on the key points and don't be long-winded. Keep your words concise and to the point.
這裡太煩亂，我受不了。這裡太煩亂，我受不了。這裡太煩亂，我受不了。
It's too chaotic here. I can't stand it.
謝謝觀看。